Tinubu faces another legal battle in Supreme Court. Welcome to the news and thank you for tuning in to listen. Please subscribe to our channel to get notified when we post hot juicy news updates. Please click on the notification bell. President Bola Tinubu is currently facing another legal battle in the Supreme Court over the 2023 presidential election, as he has been accused of unlawfully presenting himself for inauguration as President of the Federal Republic of Nigeria, despite pending legal action against the conduct of the poll. Chief Albert Ambrose Omorun, a presidential candidate in the 2019 general election, has unveiled the doctrine of least pendant and is seeking nullification of Tinubu's inauguration as the winner of a 2023 presidential poll. Oru, a constitutional lawyer, contends that the election that produced Tinubu was an exercise in futility and illegal self-help, given his pending suit against Tinubu and others at the Supreme Court. The pending Supreme Court suit with number SC 67 2023 has Chief A.A. Ouru and Hope Democratic Party as appellants, while respondents are the former President Muhammadu Buhari, AGF, INEC, and Asiwaju Bola Ahmed Tinubu. Ouru argues that Tinubu's declaration as president by INEC is an affront to the Supreme Court and the established law by reason of least pendants. He asserts that since Tinubu is a party in the pending suits before the apex court, he should not have presented himself for inauguration in respect of any presidential poll. Ouru contested the 2019 presidential election on the platform of a Hope Democratic Party (HDP) against former President Muhammadu Buhari and claimed to be a judged winner of the poll against the declaration of Buhari by the Independent National Electoral Commission (INEC). He sued seeking an order of court to declare him as the adjudged and constitutional winner of the 2019 election and currently pending before the Supreme Court. On the 2023 election and currently pending before the Supreme Court was on May 18th this year, voluntarily joined by Tinubu as an interested party. In the first motion on notice served on Tinubu through the chambers of Chief Wole Olanipekun-San, the ex-presidential candidate is also praying to the Supreme Court for an order restraining the respondents and particularly Asiwaju Bola Tinubu from further operating the graduation account pending the determination and resolution of the constitutional questions again the 2023 election. Over alongside the civil group Hope Africa Foundation has issued a statement contending that Tinubu's claim to the office of a president is affected by reason of his being least pendant. They argue that the 2023 presidential election and its outcome, which Tinubu was aware of before joining the suit, is assumed and dependent on the outcome of the existing legal proceedings on the subject of the already adjudged and yet to be served constitutional mandate of Ouru to serve out the term of office of a president of Nigeria as required by law. Ouru predicts that his grievance against the inauguration of Tinubu or anybody else as successor to Buhari is based on the ground that he is the constitutionally adjudged winner of the 2019 election and has not spent his 4 years tenure as required by law. The legal battle has seen previous dismissal in lower courts and has now reached the Supreme Court, raising questions about the outcome of the 2023 presidential election and the legitimacy of Tinubu's inauguration. I am asking myself, where we take see these kind of people? How did we even see them? How? Now, wow. But this man did correct. Since 2019, at a point I was saying 2023, not 2019. It was later when I now saw that it's 4 years tenure, HDP. I'm not sure say the man they fine. All right, where was this man before the inauguration date? The Supreme Court is no more supreme than Tinubu, who has pocketed them. I did tell you, the man don't carry them put for pocket. See them don't rush, come out, come talk. I beg, make una tell us what you and president they do as people they hungry, they suffer for Nigeria. My own is person will come outside, they attack the president, or they drag and go court, they wasting time. After you don't see what happened this morning, you still see what still happen again. Okay. Oh. There is enough money to waste. I tell you. So many sick people around, the just silly politicians. This man needs to be mentally exempt because 4 years, and he's coming out to say he has not served his 4 years tenure. Huh? There is no judiciary in Nigeria. You can say that again. Why did Atiku P2 approach the court? That doesn't exist. Is that not madness? There must be a judiciary in Biafra by IPOB and ESN. Yeah, folks. I am always in a hurry to know if really Igbos of southeastern of Nigeria are really human because I believe frustrations, cluelessness, mental derange, lack of knowledge, lack of wisdom, intellectual capacity, non-inclusiveness, marginalization, since independence, and idleness are not enough reasons to turn Igbos to substandard and reign upside down in their sleeves, choosing country like Owuru must have been in the sickbed before 29th May or 23rd, or possibly he may be released from Jagaban prison of a Wiloko that is too spiritual for ordinary Igbos to understand the meaning. My own is, don't even drag the Igbos into this because he came out and he came out alone. And to me, true, I go also talk say the man no dey get himself because wetin go make person dey come outside come talk this kind thing, come yarn this kind, I no wan call am dust, come yarn this kind talk this kind period. If to say the person no dey okay. If you like, go and waste your money and then and time having hope on the judiciary. I want to believe in a plain in the sha. This woman is not okay with Tinubu deserve victories over his enemies. So you have to start from Yaradua, then Goodluck, Buhari, then Tinubu, because all of them have court cases before they were sworn in. Oh my God. So far it is Nigeria Supreme Court, no case there. The Igbo have taken this thing personal. You people will come to social media and start abusing Asiwaju. On what level? You should stop all this. See, your comments here is from you people. People are not fighting Tinubu. You are fighting God. Okay. All right. Jagaban has successfully turned the Igbos into a laughing stock of the entire world as all the expectations and hope for 2023 presidential election is concerned. Somebody say the applicant no get work out. I tell you because if you get work, you no go come outside the yarn that thing. And your evidence are more conspicuously seen than that of the 2023 presidential elections manipulated by the same court, Abi. Anyway, you just want to be heard. Okay. This Obro wants appointment from president or money because nobody even know him. He's looking for cheap popularity. This man must visit RA in Abeokuta for mental illness checkups. Okay. My own is waiting in condo. Nigeria judicial system is dead and APC and INEC are thinking that they are smart, but they are sending very wrong signals to the international community to stay away from investing in Nigeria because if anything goes wrong, you will not get justice. As it depends them, it is Twitch's foolish song, the economy is going down every day. Alright, on this note, you have come to the end of the news. We say thank you for tuning in to listen.